at Barangay
Yes.
Pasil. Pasil. Then we'll look for Esme Carinderia. There, finally. We're here.
Gusto mo pa rin siya dyan?
Where? Okay.
Bayaran na po na para pa-resort ng tatlo.
Wag.
Matanggap lang, bayaran na. Pa-resort lang, okay na pa-resort. Kasi bukas na lang, wala na rin yung Google na ano eh.
Unfortunately, we have arrived late, so we ran out of the so we'll just come back tomorrow. It's nice. So we're here at Esme Carinderia. It's our second attempt actually. And there is Kuya JR.
Ari po, yung original, yung 1960. 1960.
We were here to taste the original.
Naka-goggles.
Thank you so much. Yes, here. Yeah.
Ayun, batfish, oh. Yung dalawang sa ito.
Batfish.
Batfish pa rin, laro na batfish.
Bayang na lang, ulo. Ulo na lang sa bayang.
Thank you.
Dahil panaksan ka rin, dahil para mapayat na.
At Esme Carinderia here at Barangay Pasil, Cebu City. And that's their
ano ba?
porcupine fish. Porcupine fish.
Hindi, pero Tagutongan, yes. Sige, pakita mo. There. May mata. Okay, so sa bony, timan natin yun.
See? How's the flesh?
Ibigay na lang niya sa so far. Halo-halo siya, wala nga naiibabaw na
Yung tawang tempura.
mas flavorful siya sa iba kasi iba.
Yung flesh.
Soft and tasty.
That's why.
Ayan o, porcupine fish talaga. It will eat you. Let me taste. Malasam.
How about
This is bayang sa batfish. The black black and white stripes. They have the same soup, so the taste will be similar, but then the flesh will be different.
Right, will vary.
Okay, then.
How is it?
Magkaiba yung texture ng flesh.
Great.
Parang lasa mas saltier ito, pero ito more umami sa lasa.
Okay, so far good.
Malasang larang. Meron siyang kamatis,
Ginger.
green, tsaka maliit na ginger, tsaka dahon ng sibuyas, onion leeks.
And it complements all of the ingredients.
Yeah, may konting spiciness,
Nothing
umami.
too overpowering. Yes. That's our drinks. Thank you.
Salamat.
Alright. We're still here at Parang. This one, Kevin. Almost finished. How is it?
Yes, fish. The bad fish. And the fortified fish. Oops. I just used this fresh here.
That's good.
Finish. Finito.
Everything's done. Also finished eating. Oh, it's a fast pace fast.
Bucket list check at Esmen, Carinderia, larangan sa Pasig. So we ate larang of porcupine fish, katago, kongan, and larang di bayang the batfish, the black and white. Okay. Christian Carinderia sa Pasig. Okay, sa Barangay Pasil. Larang na rompi. Ah, yun yung ano, ulo. The head. Ah, yes. Ako itong laman na lang. Kapag ko pang gusto may mga utak-utak na po. Tsaka mata, no? Ayan, this meat.
Asa mo tig-isa tayo isang ulo, isang libo?
Hindi ako gusto. Ito, gusto mo yan? Rompi, yes. Larang na rompi, which is barracuda. very fleshy. There's a lot of meat. And according to Joshua and Julie, it's more in the similar to the firm flesh of the bangus or the fish. Can you taste the soup, Josh? Is it what?
It tastes like larang. It's
Yeah,
a little
what was
salty,
it?
with a little salty, little sour. There's a little spiciness.
Yeah, from the
Espada.
espada chili and savory.
Savory, yes.
No flavor is overpowering. It's a balance of all the flavors. Larang is with lots of tomatoes. There is the espada chili and leeks, onion leeks,
And willow, toasty.
and tausi, the black bean paste. Yes. Okay, we'll eat now. Rompi, larang na rompi. Larang barracuda. Rompi is barracuda. Can you taste the Josh, the larang? Yes, tasty. How about the fish? Sour. Parang sinigang. Firm, soft.
Very
Firm.
firm.
Parang cross between tuna siguro and bangus. Okay. Wanted to try, Josh?
Here. Very firm.
Firm. Thick, no? Yan, no?
Bangus tuna.
Bangus and more bangus than tuna.
This own.
Cross.
Sort of.
Okay.
This own.
Nice. Okay, we'll eat now. All finished. So, how was it, Joshua?
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it was unbelievable. Only here you can eat. I don't know of any other place. Sarap. At Entoy's Bakasihan, the famous Entoy's Bakasihan. Woohoo! By the seaside. Nice. There are other restos here. Hi, Miss Bakasihan. But we will be eating at Entoy's. So, nag-vlog din mo yun. Lakas na yun, no?
Entoy, Bakasihan.
Ito, maliit pa ito. Yung first time ko nakapunta dito, maliit pa.
Maliit
Ito pa
pa.
yun eh.
Ito pa lang.
There.
Bubo pala. Ito pala siya dati, Josh, ha? Okay, this is the view here at Entoy's Bakasihan. And this is the taxi cab of JR. This is our guide. We'll include his contact details on our link. There. Yes. Octopus, Joshua.
Which one?
Adobo octopus, no?
Isada.
Isado, nice. Ito, scallops. Ito po.
Ubod.
Ha?
Ubod, yung malaking igat, sir.
Malaking igal. Eel? Ito yung malaki. Moray eel, Josh.
Mali yun lang kain pala.
Yes.
Ito.
Meron po ba yung mga maliliit na bakasi?
Meron, sir.
Meron din. Ito.
Order ako nito.
Sa, kilaw na. Kilaw na. Ano po? Ah, sea cucumber. Ito naman. Ano isda?
Sasa. Sasa.
Sasa.
Flying.
Ito yung flying fish na ano. Isa lang. Lagi lang ang kilaw ang sasa. Flying fish.
We're here at Empires Makasihan. Finally! We made it. Okay, let's try those.
Ako dito lang kakain. Di
Let's
na
try
ako kakain
those.
mamayang gabi.
Octopus. We'll try.
Bakasi na. Ano po?
Fried
Fried bakasi. Bakasi.
Gusto mo ng fried din?
Meron din kaming spider shell sa ang.
Ah, magkano ganito?
80 per plate, sir.
Ah, ano kinakain na yung ganyan?
Oo. Hinihilan nyo lang
Oh,
yung...
sige. Try na natin.
Sige, we'll try. Isa. Ito.
Ito parang fish.
Gusto mo try ito? Gusto mo try ito?
Oo, mori eel.
Yeah.
Mori eel.
Tapos ito?
Oo.
Sir, edit-fry ko muna ito.
Oh, sige, okay.
Yeah, then we'll try ito rin po. And then ito pa. Yes.
Oh. Pwede ba itong part na to? Ano ba part ito? Ano part ito?
So we ordered the
Pwede ba itong ganito? Ano part?
rice. Ano yan ulit?
Mori eel.
Mori
Ano tawag sa Sa Bisaya nito? Ubod or Mori eel. Look at the eel. Oh.
And this one's octopus.
Octopus.
Ano yan? Spider shell?
Spider shells.
Yeah.
Ito isa.
Yes. So we're here at Empires Makasihan. Care of JR who brought us here. Kind enough to bring us here. And this is the
Bakasi.
Bakasi
Eel
with
with
soup.
soup. Mori eel.
Mori eel. Octopus.
Octopus. Seagrass. Ano tawag sa ito?
Lato.
O lato.
Lato.
Ano to? Ito. Kinilaw na sa ano?
Limatongan.
Flying fish.
Flying fish. Tagutongan.
Tagutongan. Ano ba? Blowfish ba, ma? Josh? Sa English yung tagutongan?
Porcupine.
Hindi.
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
And this is the fried.
Fried bakasi or fried eels.
Bakasi. Spider.
Shells. And the parrotfish grill.
And this is the corn.
Corn grits.
Yes. So, and this is our view.
Ano mo mango? Nice.
Okay. Chow down.
Tiger grilled, no? Inihaw, no?
Yeah. Good.
Grilled spider.
Spider shells. There. Ooh.
Good. Good.
Very fresh. I like it. And the corn grits. I'll try the octopus. I have cooked octopus before. It's this one. Paksiw. Adobong octopus. You wouldn't find this anywhere, I think. Just imagine eating frying fish, kinilaw, cooked only in vinegar, without fire. Mm. The flesh is quite firm. How about this one? The puffer fish, tagutongan. Sarap. Very tasty. Bony. How about the fried? The fried goodness of the eel, yes. I'll compare it with one.
You should put soy sauce.
No?
It will taste better.
I think you have to remove. Tanggal ba yung tinik nito? Ganito no? Napanat ko no? Ay,
Minsan, subo lahat.
subo
tapos,
lahat, no? I think we'll do this.
Ganyan.
There. Watch this one. This is where you eat eel. Baby eels, I think. Baby moray eels. I did not eat the head. And last but not the least, the
Large moray eel.
large moray eel.
Cooked in, I think there's soy sauce and sugar. Huh?
Yes.
Eel sauce.
How is it?
Different. I prefer the smaller eels.
Which one?
And parrotfish for the last. Patulog na.
Wrong. Look. There. Get it.
There. Here's the fish. Good. Come here at
And toys,
Toys,
bakas.
Bakasihan. All exotic. Good. Okay.
Okay.